The watch has literally zero bezels. Display goes edge to edge. We get two strap options, stainless steel and leather. Track your favorite stock prices directly on your watch itself. Wow! Hi there! Here is the newly launched Boltt Legacy. It's a perfect blend of traditional design with modern functionality. It comes with an AMOLED display that goes completely edge to edge with zero bezels. Packed with features like Bluetooth calling, health monitoring and stock price tracking. Yeah, that's not something you see in many smartwatches. Above all, solid premium looks. Best part, all this at a starting price of just $3,799. It's unbelievable. So, we have a couple of units with us. We have the steel straps as well as with the leather straps. We'll unbox them and have a closer look so you can decide if you should buy the Boltt Legacy or not. Let's begin. So here are three units of the Boltt Legacy. The one on the top comes with stainless steel, while the rest of the two are leather straps. This one is brown, this one is black. Now apart from the straps, these three are exactly the same. Let's quickly open it up and we'll start with the stainless steel. Right on the top is the user manual, the watch itself, the usual vouchers, we have the warranty card, we have the Book My Show, Ghana subscription and some more. An extra pair of silicone bands, and finally a dock type charging adapter. The charging dock is wireless. As you can see, there are no terminals on it. Just bring it closer to the watch and it will align, attach and start charging. Also the magnets are really strong, so it holds on quite well. Now let's quickly unbox these as well, though we know the contents are going to be exactly the same, but still worth checking out. User manual, the Legacy watch with the brown strap, the Boltt Legacy with the black straps, the exact same coupons and warranty card, a black color silicone strap, and the same dock type charging adapter. Alright, let's have a closer look at them. We'll start with the stainless steel. Now if you look carefully, it comes with this plastic film on the top, so make sure you remove it. This is basically there so that the straps don't get scratched in transit. And there you go, check that out. So this is a black stainless steel strap and the body of the watch is also made of metal. Oh my god, this got a nice glossy finish to it which will attract some fingerprints and smudges but still looks really nice. On the other side there are actually two buttons, the one at the top, one at the bottom, really well built, round watch. And if you look on the other side here, you'll see the Boltt branding on the buckle. If you pull this, it will release open the straps. There you go. Now if you look at the back has all the sensors, the heart rate sensor, the SpO2 sensor, as well as there is a speaker right here on the top. My god, it's such a dark black watch that sometimes it could be hard to see. There's a speaker here and there's a microphone here, which is going to be assisting you for phone calls. Also, if you hold this black variant right next to it, here you can see that the watch body is exactly the same. And of course, these straps can be interchanged with each other, which is the best part. Let's have a quick look at the leather ones. Of course, these feel a lot lighter. This one is brown and tan and this one is black. Exactly same designs. It comes with the buckle design with Boltt branding on it. You can even see the thread. Looks so nice. The build and quality is amazing. Same build, metal build, same two buttons on the side. Towards the back, you can see the charging terminals and the sensors in the center. Of course, speaker right here on the top. Microphone here. Of course, this plastic film has to be removed so that if you're measuring your heart rate and SpO2, you get more accurate readings. Really, really nice. The watch comes with IP68 rating. So technically, it's safe to wear at the gym, for a run, and in fact, it also comes with swim tracking on board. But during a setup, there was a pop-up which clearly said not to wear this watch in the shower or a swim. Now my point of view is, would you wear a premium watch like this for a swim or in the shower? Probably not. But yes, the good thing is it comes with water resistancy, so you don't have to worry at all. Let's have a closer look at the display. Now this is a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. Now that's a really high resolution display, which is why even the smallest text is so clearly visible. Super vibrant colors and deep blacks. Just amazing. But my favorite part is the bezels. This watch has zero bezels. Check that out. This watch face goes edge to edge and you can't see any black space between the watch face and the watch. Basically what Boltt has done is, this is the frame of the watch which is covering the bezels completely, and this actually blends in so well if you're using an analog watch face, and you can use this dial, which is also a rotating dial, to change watch faces. Check this out. By the way, you also have animated watch faces like this. Looks pretty cool. Here too you can see that the bezels go edge to edge. absolutely amazing. Also, this watch comes with 600 nits of peak brightness. We briefly wore this watch outdoors to test, and I can tell you that the display is very clearly visible. Check it out for yourself. Let's have a quick look at the interface. So you swipe from up to access the quick toggles. Here you can actually turn on the display for 5 minutes, or you can turn it off. Here you can choose if you want the audio to come from the watch speakers, or when you press this, or from the phone speakers. Very useful. Then you can adjust the brightness from here depending on your preference. Then you have settings, adjust the brightness, do not disturb. You can change the language. By the way, you can even use this dial to scroll, which is really helpful. Menu style, you have a couple. There's list style, there's cellular, there's rolling. Then further you have system menu where you have power off, factory reset, reboot, and then you have standby dial, which is nothing else except always on mode. Once you turn it on, you can choose from a digital dial or a pointer dial, which is an analog watch. We're just choosing digital dial right now. And there you go. This is the digital always on mode. It's pretty dim, which is why the battery on this watch will still last more longer. Let's check out analog. And there you go. This is the always on analog watch face. Now also the other thing to notice is that the interface is really smooth. Boltt claims 60 Hz and you can actually feel it. Really responsive. Now on the home page, if you swipe from down, you can access your notifications and missed call alerts. If you swipe right, you can see your phone calling. Then you have QR code for the app. Then you have your weather. Then you have the music player to control the music that's playing on the phone. Then you have SpO2, stress tracking, heart rate. You have your activity. And there you go, back to the home page. Then if you press the button on the side, you can access the menu, the setting, sports modes, record, dial is for phone calling. Then you have contacts, heart rate, stress tracking, sleep tracking, blood pressure, SpO2, notices, notifications, alarms, and the best part is you can set the alarm directly from the watch itself. Then you have music player, weather, camera shutter, find phone, stopwatch, timer. Then there is world clock, and what you can do is you can set these countries or cities if time difference is there from the companion app. Very handy. Then there's voice search, there's stocks. So you can actually save stocks of your favorite that you're following, and they refresh very easily. Go to the companion app, right below, go to stock market, and here you can keep adding stocks that you want. Simply search, click, and that's added. We just added Tata Motors and it's showing right here. So follow your stocks, which is something we don't see in many other smartwatches. It's a really unique and handy feature. So overall, a really nice, smooth interface, easy to use, very snappy and responsive. Let's quickly check out phone calling. So for this demo, we're getting our phone in the picture. Then we swipe right to go to the phone calling app. You have contacts, you have call history and dial. We're going to dial and we're just randomly dialing a number, and there you can see a phone call is being dialed, which is being done from the phone. So once the caller answers, you can talk directly using a smartwatch. You can also end the call directly from here. Similarly, if you receive an incoming call, it will also ring on your phone. There'll be a vibration alert. You'll see the caller's name with an option to reject the call or answer the call. You can answer the call and start talking directly using a smartwatch. Very convenient. And of course, you can mute the mic. You can transfer this call to the phone. You can also end this call directly from here. Coming to the phone calling experience. Well, the speaker on the watch wasn't loud enough. Even indoors, I had a hard time hearing the other person. Yes, you can make and receive phone calls with this watch, but the experience wasn't that good. Hopefully, with the software update, this can be fixed. I think the speaker needs some tweaking, that's all. Now I would like to take a minute and talk about the fit and comfort. Without a doubt, the leather strap is lighter and fits perfectly. It also gives the watch a very formal look, ideal for those looking for a watch to be worn with formals. The metal band, which is definitely heavier, but makes the watch feel classy and premium. Unfortunately, the strap was a little loose for my thin wrist, but yes, you can get it adjusted at any local watch store. Coming to health monitoring. So we first tested the heart rate, then further moved to SpO2, and finally checked the blood pressure. We got the readings for all, but remember, this is a smartwatch, so use these readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to workouts, this watch comes with over 100 plus workout modes. To quickly access it, press this button below, and right here you'll see run, treadmill, walk. Also worth noticing, these are animated icons. Climbing, baseball, badminton, yoga, free movement, disco, tap dancing, marathon, gymnastic, boxing, and at the bottom you'll see personalization. Click on it, and here you'll see the same list. You can remove them from here. If you want to add more, you click on the plus sign here, and here you'll see recommended, fitness, you'll see outdoor, you'll see tons of workout modes here, rowing, relaxation, athletics, ball sports, dance classes, dance, hip hop. So whatever you like, you can keep adding from here. There you go, ballet, Zumba, all these are added here. Coming to the battery. So it comes with a 330 mAh battery and 5 Boltt claims it will last for about 6 to 7 days. But remember, with Bluetooth calling and always on mode, don't expect it to last anything more than 1 to 2 days. And that's maximum. Let's quickly check out the Smart Time Pro app. So right here on the home page, you can see your health and workout related data. You have your steps taken, your calories burned, your distance of workout, your heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen levels, sleep tracking, stress monitoring. Then if you come into devices, here you can see the devices paired. If you come into the watch gallery, you can download tons of watch faces right here. And most of them are analog because that goes even better with round watch faces. The collection is huge. In fact, there's also an option to set up custom watch faces if you want. You can choose an analog watch, a digital watch, all those options are available here. Further notifications, you can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Then incoming call alerts can be turned on, anti-lost reminder, do not disturb, alarm clocks, sedentary reminders, measurement unit, date format, vibration can be turned on or off, backlight can be set from 5 seconds to 20 seconds depending on your preference, raise to wake can be turned on and off, heart rate setting, period tracking for women, camera shutter, firmware update, phone book, stock market. This is what I'd shown you before. You can enter the stocks and monitor on the watch itself. So handy. Further in Me, you have all your data like goals. Now the best part is in the settings, you can also share data with Google Fit and Strava. You have the options for both. This is really good. Overall, a really simple and easy to use interface, and with Strava and Google Fit, it couldn't get better. Alright, final thoughts. So the Boltt Legacy is a gorgeous smartwatch. Both leather and steel straps make it look like a premium device on your wrist. Bezelless AMOLED display, sports tracking, health tracking, super smooth interface, Bluetooth calling. Though I wish the speaker on the watch was louder, but still an excellent deal for this price. You can grab this with the leather strap for just $3,799 and with a stainless steel strap for just $3,999. Remember, these are just introductory prices on the day of sale, that is today, 25th of March. So grab it right away from Flipkart. I'll share the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.